Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 23rd of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather changing this weekend. One more day where it's warm. We'll have rain and storms on Sunday. Maybe some strong storms early Sunday morning over northwest Alabama. And then cooler air for next week. Let's talk about this. There's our persistent pattern, but things are beginning to break down. The upper high off the southeast coast beginning to weaken. The trough in the western states beginning to advance. There's the visible satellite view. Mostly sunny across Alabama. Thicker clouds back to the west. Again today, we are around 80 in most spots. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden 80, Montgomery 81. Around the region, Little Rock 55, St. Louis 48. And up in the core of the cold air, temperatures are barely above zero in parts of Montana and the Dakotas this afternoon. Flash flood watches through tonight for parts of North Texas up into western Pennsylvania, just north and west of the state. And back in the colder air, a number of winter weather advisories in effect. In terms of severe weather, we got a marginal risk around Dallas, Fort Worth, and Abilene for the rest of today and tonight. Now, tomorrow we have an enhanced risk from the northeastern corner of Texas up through parts of Arkansas into the Mississippi Delta region, West Tennessee, western Kentucky. The good news, SPC has really trimmed the risk back in Alabama. Now, just the northwestern tip of the state is in the standard risk around the shoals, a marginal risk down to Interstate 59. But the storm should be weakening as they come in here, so the overall threat not especially high. And this outlook runs through 7 a.m. Sunday. And then after 7 a.m. Sunday, during the day Sunday, a marginal risk of severe storms south of Interstate 59, where some storms there could produce gusty winds. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. A lot for the nation. In our state, the numbers vary from about 3.5 inches for the shoals. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches and amounts close to 1 inch down to the south. And we might see some flooding issues Sunday. This is the Day 3 excessive rain outlook, showing the standard risk of flooding there across the central part of the state. So we'll keep an eye on rain total Sunday. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Upper trough in the west. Upper high beginning to be suppressed, and down below that, a surface low is forming on the Kansas-Oklahoma border. I think the bulk of the day will be dry. There might be a shower, but probably not many. And then Sunday, the surface low moves into Canada and the front drops into Alabama. Let's go to the high-res NAM for timing. This is midnight tomorrow night. And it's still got the better storms north and west of the state. 3 a.m. Sunday, pre-dawn hours, storms creeping into northwest Alabama. They could be strong at this point. Maybe some gusty winds, small hail. The tornado threat is very low, not zero, but very low. And then by 6 a.m. Sunday, a weakening band of showers coming into Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Cullman, Gadsden. Instability Sunday morning at 6 o'clock, not much. And the STP values barely showing up. So we'll see a weakening band of storms coming in here early Sunday morning. Let's keep on going. This is noon Sunday. The front stalls out and rain continues, and should be a pretty cool day Sunday. We'll be in the 60s, and areas north of Birmingham could be in the 50s much of the day. And even Sunday at 6 o'clock, it's still raining. So Sunday looks like a wet day with the heavier storms during the early morning hours. Rain will be persistent during the day, and again, we'll watch for any signs of flooding. Let's go to Monday of next week. I think we could see showers during the morning, but the rain should be over by midday as dry air begins to push in. And then Tuesday of next week should be mostly sunny and very nice, highs up in the low to mid-70s. Wednesday, the surface boundary moves northward again in response to a surface low that's over Kansas, so a chance of showers Wednesday. But then Thursday, a surface low or surface front comes in. The showers will likely end early in the day, and we turn cooler. The high dropping in the low 60s. And a week from today, Friday, March 2nd, troughing on the East Coast and a pretty cool air mass. Highs 57 to 60 and lows down in the 40s. The sky should be sunny. These are the anomalies a week from today, looking a lot different than what we have now. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Monday, March 5th. Look at the trough over the eastern U.S. and a cold front driving down this way. And once that thing passes, the air could be pretty cold. That's a 1,052 millibar high that's over Canada, pushing that thing south. So, again, I fully expect many more mornings with a freeze here. Winter is not over. Numbers off the European. Highs mostly in the 60s next week, and the 50s following that after toward mid-March with lows well down in the 30s. Wouldn't be shocked if it's colder than that on a day or two. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video posted here Monday morning by 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have these updates tomorrow and Sunday. Can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.